Did you know you can multiply by 15 in just a few seconds? In this video, you'll not only learn the shortcut, but also why it actually works. 15 is simply 10 plus 5. That means we can split the calculation into two parts. 48 times 10 and 48 times 5. First, 48 times 10 equals 480. Now we only need to calculate 48 times 5. There are two ways to do this. Instead of multiplying by 5 directly, we can use an easier trick. Multiplying a number by 5 is the same as dividing it by 2, then multiplying the result by 10. 48 divided by 2 equals 24. 24 times 10 equals 240. Now let's add the two results together. 480 plus 240 equals 720. So, 48 times 15 equals 720. Let's try one more example. 32 times 15. First, multiply by 10. 32 times 10 equals 320. Now we need to multiply by 5. 32 divided by 2 equals 16. 16 times 10 equals 160. Now add the two results together. 320 plus 160 equals 480. So, 32 times 15 equals 480. I hope you found this trick helpful, and that multiplying by 15 feels much easier now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next Math Shortcuts video.